Hello guys, Eric here at Evasive Motorsports. Today we're going to install the new HKS Hipermax S coilovers on the 2020 Subaru WRX. The HIPERMAX S enhances handling performance with emphasis on driving comfort. New for this HIPERMAX S series is advanced bump rubber, which adds further softness and also shorter variations to deliver a natural and smooth experience. Like all coilover systems, ride height adjustability is enabled, accompanied with the newly introduced dual preload valve system, which reduces high-speed dampening while keeping unnecessary movement to a minimum. The HIPERMAX S's monotube structure ensures great durability and comes with a 3-year warranty to give you peace of mind. Let's install it on the car now.